Hello viewers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop receiving email notification from Facebook. So first of all, open Facebook apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look at the right corner, tap onto profile icon, scroll down, settings and privacy, go to settings, scroll down, click on to notification option, scroll down, select to email, click on here and select the third option. Okay, now done. Now successfully stop receiving email notification from Facebook.